Hi, Jessie here. I'm so glad you found this video. I'm super excited to teach you about doTERRA essential oils. In this video, I specifically want to share with you 10 ways that you can use lime essential oil. There's so many other ways you can use it. In this video, we're going to focus on 10 ways you can easily incorporate lime into your life. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel so that way you can check out all my other videos. I have a library of tons of videos all about doTERRA essential oils, so check that out. Let's talk about lime essential oil. Are you ready? Number one, use lime for your emotions to support your mood. It is the oil, the zest of life oil. So when you feel like you need a little zest of life, use your lime. You can do something as simple as put some drops on your hand, rub them together. I call this doing a ghetto diffuser. Take 3 deep breaths, and you can thank me later. It's that simple. Just breathe that essential oil in, and it's going to help lift your mood. Number two, I love using lime for respiratory support. Try this rollerball recipe. You're going to grab cardamom, frankincense, and lime. And I want you to put about 5 to 7-ish drops each in a rollerball, top with fractionated coconut oil, and then roll it over your chest, on the bottoms of your feet, on your back, to help support your respiratory system. Number three, I want you to make yourself some immunity tea. At the time of recording, it's August. We are getting ready to head into the fall, and immunity tea is something that our family loves using year-round, but I feel like the fall is when we really find ourselves using it a lot, just with the changing of the seasons. It's delicious, and it helps support our immune systems. So it's a great thing to drink on a daily basis, and then if you do find yourself under the weather, just increase how often you drink it. For immunity tea, first thing you're going to do is you're going to go find yourself some local raw honey. And then for a 4-ounce jar, like a canning jar of immunity tea, put in your 4 ounces of raw honey. And then you're going to add 3 to 5 drops each of On Guard, and then any citrus oils you have. So I like adding wild orange, lemon, lime, grapefruit, tangerine. Just throw in 3 to 5 drops each of any of those citrus oils. And then I like adding 2 to 3 drops of ginger. You're going to stir it up and then keep it somewhere in your cupboard. So when you need to drink it, you can drink it. You just get a boiling cup of hot water, take a spoonful of that concoction, stir it in, and drink it. It tastes so good. We've also used it like a cough syrup too in our family, so keep that in mind. It's really sugary because it's a mouthful of honey, but it works really well to soothe the throat. Number 4, I want you to add lime to your water or to your beverage. So just first of all, make sure you're not putting that in plastic or styrofoam. I learned that the hard way. But just use glass, ceramic, stainless steel, something like that. So just water, lime essential oil. A little goes a long way, so start with maybe 2 drops, see what you think. Also, if you have something like a soda stream, a bubble maker, that's delicious to then add some essential oil like lime to your bubbly water. Or if you like having something like a gin and tonic, but you don't have limes, use lime essential oil. Oh, it works so great. Number 5, use it in cooking, just in general. If a recipe calls for lime and you don't have limes, use lime essential oil. I love that about my oils because we live in the country, so there's times when I'm making something and like, oh my goodness, I don't have cilantro. What am I gonna do? I just go grab my cilantro essential oil. But it's not equivalent. So if something's calling for, I don't know, a half a teaspoon of cilantro or a half a teaspoon of lime, it's not the same with essential oil. So start with a drop or 2. And something that's strong like cilantro, I mean, maybe even do the toothpick method where you take a toothpick and then you put it in your essential oil bottle, take that toothpick out and then swirl it in whatever you're making. I love using lime to help me when I'm cooking. So think of guacamole. That's an easy one to do. Mash up your avocados, add whatever you want to your guacamole, add a couple drops of lime, taste it, see what you think. You could add more. I love putting in wild orange. It might sound weird. Wild orange in my guacamole. And again, if I don't have cilantro, I'll add some cilantro essential oil to the guacamole. And 1 drop might be all you need. Just letting you know, a little goes a long way. But have fun cooking with lime. Number 6, use lime in your cleaning. It's great for cleaning. So if you have a multi-purpose cleanser that you use to clean your countertops, add a couple drops of lime and it's going to help get sticky stuff off. Plus it'll give you that mood boosting benefit. You can use lime with cleaning, like if you have anything sticky, citrus oils in general are great to remove the stickiness. Number 7, make a sugar scrub. There's so many different sugar scrub recipes out there. If you need an idea, let me know. I can get you one. But there's a great ginger lime sugar scrub that I love making. I keep it under my kitchen sink, so when I'm making something like bread and I just have dough all over my fingers, I love pulling out my sugar scrub to help get all of that dough off of my hands. But ginger essential oil and lime is a great combination for that sugar scrub because it gets you clean and it gets that sticky stuff off of your hands. Number 8, you can use lime for a jewelry polish. Who knew? Isn't that awesome? Again, lime, it's great for cleaning things, so give it a try for a jewelry polish. If you need the recipe, let me know. Number 9, use lime when you're studying. So I want you to put the lime essential oil, you could breathe it in like I taught you at the beginning of this video, you could rub some on your wrists, you can make a roller for yourself, and then when it's time for a test, then apply the lime in that same spot where you applied it before when you're taking a test on that subject that you were studying for, and it's going to help you in that test. While I'm talking about applying lime topically to your skin, I just want to throw it out there. Citrus oils are photosensitive, which means that if you apply it topically to your skin and then you go spend time in the sun, it might make your skin more sensitive. So just plan accordingly. So apply it to your skin before you go outside, like give yourself some time before you go outside, or just put it topically where the sun doesn't shine and you'll be okay. Number 10, the easiest of all, besides doing a ghetto diffuser, I want you to actually just put the lime in your diffuser. Have fun playing around with different combinations of lime in your diffuser. I mean, lime by itself, it's gonna be amazing. Try doing something like peppermint and lime. I personally love diffusing Motivate essential oil. That's a blend from doTERRA with lime. Whenever I just need to crank out and get some work done, that's one of my favorite go-tos for the diffuser, because when you diffuse, it can help change the whole environment of a room, of a house. It can help change your mood. It can help clear out the air. It can help people around you that are in your house have a better mood and help with their respiratory support. Have fun diffusing lime essential oil. I hope you learned 10 new fun ways that you can try using lime. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. So go click that button, subscribe. Please reach out if you have questions. I would be honored to help you. If you don't have a personal essential oil mentor that you are working with already, I would love to work with you on a one-on-one basis and go even deeper in learning about our essential oils. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.